Hello everyone, I am here with a journal share. This is another custom journal I made. It is a vanilla folder for the outside, and I just inked it up, did my little leather thing, and sewed around it. And this image I think is from Screech Owl on Etsy, and so is this. And I just sewed around it and backed it on book page, glued it on there, and put this pretty rosette and trim on here. And this is the back. I love the way that one turned out. And let me get on the inside. This is all vintage trim, and sorry Silk for the closure. I just left it unclosed because I was just in it. But this is all vintage trim inside. And I'm going to try to sit down and do this and keep it in frame because my hands don't seem to swell as much when I'm sitting down. So if I get out of frame, I'm sorry. But here I just put a little button and a heart on this dangly, and it flips up and down with some vintage lace and a couple tags behind it. I'm going to try to whip through this pretty quickly. I used Life's a Bloom 2 from Tsunami Rose in here, and there is also a little bit of Artie Mays and a little bit of Screech Owl in this one. And here I just book page and made a pocket out of that, and this is just some extra paper from another kit. From the Screech Owl kit that I had here at Coffee Dyed, and I know she loves the journal, so I wanted to put in some extra paper. This is Graphic 45, and then this is from the kit, this pretty envelope. Sorry about that. Sometimes I have to do things off camera because my hands are so goofy. I did some Mod Podge on this napkin. And just did some layering on this as part of the kit. Oops. This I sewed on here, and I think this is Artie Mays. And then I just made this little extra little tag and put some little tickets and stuff inside. This is part of the kit. Edith Holden page. And I just made a little tuck spot, sewed around it, backed it with paper, book page, and then just some extra journaling things here. Stenciling. Some tracing paper. And this is just some extra paper I had. And this opens up, I believe. Oh, I closed it with the paper clip. It opens up for journaling. I'll put that back on in a little bit. And here is a little envelope with nothing in there. This is part of the kit. This is Artie Mays, and there's this journaling card inside. And this is off of Pinterest, and I just sewed it with coffee dyed paper on the back. A glassine bag I just did some layering on, and this is just extra coffee dyed paper. Music note paper. Sewed around this image and made a little tuck spot out of, and backed both of these and sewed around those. Oops, that's too tall. Sewed on this baggie, and this all comes undone, and this little cute tag I sewed around, and this is from the kit. And then there's just the big old vanilla folder tag inside it. I gotta take this thing off, I'm having a hot one. Little paper clip I altered right there. I think that's so cute. I love that. And then this one. And another one I sewed around. Left some strings, big strings on that one. Snip it off. The other part of the doily. And this is just a book page. I just thought that image was really cute, and I just did a little tip in with it. And this is another little belly band I did a bunch of layering on, and this little image comes out of the little envelope there. Some extra journaling paper. And then this is part of the kit. And I made an envelope out of this page from the kit, and I just stuck this as Artie Mays. Stuck that inside. And I just made a little pocket out of this. This completely comes open. I just made some little tags to go inside it. And these are all sewn, backed with coffee dyed paper. And I made a little envelope out of some book page and just stuck this in there. Like that. Over here, just another little tuck spot with this gorgeous little tag. And I sewed around that ticket right there. Just some extra paper, and this is Artie Mays. And I just did that and tucked that in there. Did some punching from Martha Stewart. Sewed around this image. And this is just a Hermelinda tag. And this image. And then this card. This one I sewed. This little belly band flips up. Just a big file folder tag. And this image card, or journaling card, and then this one. And these are 2 tickets I just clipped on there, and this little envelope is part of the kit, and this is Graphic 45. I just put that under there. And here is just a little flip down, and I just glued that down there. And this is a paper clip. This is just extra paper folded like an envelope, and that's another little altered paper clip I did. I think Paula's the one that started, the other Paula, I can't remember her last name, started these on Junk Journal Junkies, doing them with the tickets. Oh, they're so cute. I'll have to, I think I've linked her link below my video before, but I will do it again so you can go check her out because they're super, super cute. Just easy tutorial on how to do it. And here is another little sewn on tuck spot. And this, I sewed this image to some coffee dyed paper and then just made a little tuck spot behind it, and this opens up for extra journaling. And this is some extra journaling from Artie Mays. That is Screech Owl, I believe, image from one of her kits. And here is another paper clip that I altered, which I think is super cute. I love those. And another little tag that I did. Screech Owl tag. Just another little Hermelinda tag out of some extra paper. Tim Holtz butterfly and this little journaling card. Some extra snippets. Sewed around this image and made a pocket out of it. And this is Screech Owl, and so is this one. And I just sewed around that one. And then an extra tag, and then this one. Big journaling card out of some paper I had. Another little paper clip I altered. I think he's so cute. And then this image is from Screech Owl. little Rita Donnelly flip there, and this is some extra kit paper, and I just made a big old journaling card out of it. And this one, and then this cute little patootie. And on the back, I just sewed another big old pocket out of some book page, and here is just these two little circle journaling things that she can write on. A big journaling card. And these are from Screech Owl. Love those, they're beautiful. And so are these, which I sewed them on as well. And that is my latest custom journal that I've had done forever and just never did a video on, but thought I better get it done and out to her. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not, and if you are already, thank you so very much for sticking with me, and I will have more videos coming soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.